Hi, my name is John Huang from Pepperdine University MSAA program. Today, I just want to talk about the worldwide health economics from 1995 to 2010's data preparation process. Let's do this. The first step for data preparation is to download the data from the data source. I downloaded 5 cans of data from Gapminder website. The first one is government health spending percentage of total government spending. The second one is government health spending per person in US dollars. The third one is government share of health spending. The fourth one is life expectancy years. The fifth one is total GDP for each country in US dollars. And in order to analyze the data more convenient, I also downloaded a document which has information about each country belongs to which continent from another data source. Next, let's see the original data from the website. As we can see, there are some problems with the data from the website. First is the format does not suit for Tableau to use. Then it has some null values that we should clean them. The whole process of the data preparation is that first we need to transfer the table into Tableau format. Second, we need to select the data that we want to use. Third, we need to clean the data. Then we need to filter the data. After all of the steps, we need to join different tables into one data set, and then we should output the data. Next, I will use the Alteryx to do the data preparation process. This is what the final workflow looks like. And let's start. The first step, we need to create a new workflow. Then input the data into the workflow. Let's choose the file here and select the correct shape. Here we can see that the data is in the Alteryx now. Because the format is not correct, so we need to transfer our data format. We will use the transpose function. For the key fields, we select the country. Let's run the workflow. As we can see, there are 3 columns. The first is country, the second is year, and the third is government percentage. However, the name of the columns is not correct, so we need to rename these columns. We will use the select function. Just tap the correct name here. Let's run this workflow again. As we can see, the column's name is correct now. Because there have some null values here, so we need to delete these null values. We will use the filter function. Select the government percentage. Choose is not null. Let's run this workflow again. As we can see, all of the null values are deleted now. For the next step, we should do some simple data cleaning. Just in case, we should link the true output here. And for the data cleaning, we just choose the leading and the trailing white space and the tabs, link breaks, and duplicate white space. Let's run this workflow again. As we can see, this is the final data that we got. Then we do all of the same process for all of the data sets. And we will use the join multiple function to join these 4 data sets. We based on the country and the year. We just delete the columns that we do not want to use. And then we just use the join function to join the countries and the continent information into the formal data set. And we base on the country. We also delete the columns that we do not want to use. And then we just output our data set. Let's run the workflow. Here, as we can see, we got the final data set for our project. This is my presentation. Thank you.